Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today's video is kind of different, so maybe you want to get a snack, popcorn, glass of wine, anything. Yeah, it's a more chilled, laid back type of video. So this is my first time doing this type of video. So basically I went to Selfridges the other day. This chair is really annoying, by the way, sorry guys. So basically I went to Selfridges the other day, picked up a few things, and I thought, you know what, let me come on here and do an unboxing to show you guys all the stuff I picked up. I picked up makeup, I picked up a new bag, picked up, what else did I pick up? Perfume. So just stay tuned, relax and enjoy, okay? I literally have a big bag of Selfridges. I'm gonna start with makeup first. I actually have a makeup booking tomorrow, so I had to go pick up a few items that I need for the person I'm gonna be doing their makeup. So I stopped at Morphe and I picked up 2 or 3 items from Morphe, and I'm gonna tell you what I picked up. So of course I had to get the continuous setting mist. You guys know I use this shit, like I use this in every makeup video that I do, or even when I'm not making a video, when I'm going out, I use this. Every time I do my makeup I use this because it just makes a lot of sense. I love how it sets your makeup, how it just helps your makeup to melt into your skin. Like it just gets the job done, okay? So if you're someone who you feel like your makeup is not always blended as well sometimes, this really helps. Like it just melts the makeup into your skin and just kind of brings it together. So they had a jumbo size, which I've never seen. I didn't know they had a jumbo size, so I had to get that. So this is what the jumbo size looks like. Quite big actually compared to this. Wow, this is massive. Guys, compare the sizes. So this will definitely last me a while, because I think it was the last video I made. I was saying how like you don't realize how much you're spraying because it's a mist. So sometimes you've actually got enough on, but you're still spraying because you can't feel the mist on your face. And then I picked up their face wash. I can't be bothered to go upstairs right now, but basically this was sent to me through PR, and I love the face wash so much. Like it's so good, so good. Mine's nearly done, and because of how much I love it, I had to go pick up another one, and that's just to let you know how good it is. Like it's actually good. I'm not getting paid for this video. Legit, the face wash is really good. So this is what it looks like. So this is what the face wash looks like. So I had to pick up another one. I use this every day to wash my face. Like after I take off my makeup and when I wake up in the morning, this is what I use to wash my face. I picked up 2 lip liners from Morphe as well. So of course I had to get another Trendsetter. So I picked up 1 lip liner, I picked up Trendsetter, and I picked up Sugar Pie. So Sugar Pie would definitely be for like more of my light skin tones, clients and stuff. I can't use this to line my lips because I don't think it would even show up. But yeah. I stopped at Inglot on my way to Selfridges and I picked up their gel liner. I feel like everyone raves about this gel liner. It is really good because each time I've had my makeup done by a makeup artist, this is what they use. So you can use this as a base on your eyelid for like a smoky eye, or like if you're putting a pigment on your eyelid, this can be used as a base. So I got this. Then I picked up the Huda Beauty Skin Finish stick, foundation stick, and the shade I got is Toffee. So you can see this is very light. So like I said, I have a booking tomorrow, so that's why I had to go get a foundation to match my client's skin tone. And then I think that's it for makeup, you know. No, that's a lie. I picked up concealer as well. Yes, I picked up the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. This concealer, the coverage is the coverage is actually insane. Like it's mad. Just the tiniest amount is what you need of this. Like it's crazy. So the shade I got for this is Toasted Almond, for me to highlight my client's face. So, and I think that's it when it comes to makeup. So now I'm gonna move on to perfume. Okay, listen. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you, this was actually a gift from a friend of mine. Thank you, Stevie, if you're watching this video. So Stevie got me this perfume. I've been wanting to get this for so long, and she was like, no, I'm going to get it for you. Not gonna lie, she took her time in terms of getting it for me, but she eventually got it for me, so thanks babes. Okay, I was just thinking, when am I going to get this perfume? Should I go buy it, or should I wait? Should I go buy it? Should I wait? She eventually got it for me. So this is the YSL perfume, and this is the Intense one. The Intense one I feel smells a lot nicer than just the normal one, and I feel like this is long lasting as well. This lasts a lot longer than that one. The first time I tried this perfume, I went to Blue Water and I went to Boots. So I sprayed it on myself, but I wasn't too sure if I should get the perfume. But then guys, I got home and I was like, what's going on? Like, what's up? What's going on? I can still smell this perfume on my body, and it literally smelled like I had just sprayed it. So I said, yup, I have to get it. Like, I have to. Let me even spray this right now. Like, guys, I love this perfume. So this is what it looks like. Like, listen, I got it. I got it, finally. Finally, I got it. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually a fool. Okay, cool. So, okay, the next perfume I'm going to show you. So when I went to Selfridges, I picked up this one. So this is the Montal Paris perfume. I hope that's how you say it. So I saw Jackie Aina post. She posted this on her Instagram, one of the reels that she did. But the one she got was the gold one. I can't remember the scent. I can't remember the scent of the perfume, but she got the gold one. I had a screenshot on my phone. So I went to Selfridges hoping to get that one, but they said they didn't have it in stock. So I tried one of the other ones that they had and I decided to go for this one. So, oh my god, like, guys, listen. Like I said, you smell good, you feel good. You smell good, you feel good. Literally, like, I want to walk into the room and you're turning heads like, baby, what's that smell? Oh, don't worry about it, babes. Just don't worry, it's okay. Ooh, this is very fancy. This is so fancy. So it comes in a little bag like this. It comes in this bag. It's giving oud type of vibe because you normally get ouds in like bags like this. And what scent is this? It doesn't say. Oh wow, maybe it's on the box. I'm gonna spray it now and then let's see.
It's so good.
Sorry, why am I doing this? It just smells really good. So I got the 100ml. Feels like there's not much in there though. But anyway, yeah. So the last one I picked up is the one I got today. So this is the Prada Candy. I saw this in Selfridges, but I wasn't too sure if I should get it. So I saw it again today when I went to Savers. I said, yeah, I might as well. Like, looks like this. I think this bottle is so pretty. So this is the 30ml that I got. I got the 30ml today. And how do you spray this? Or how do you open it, should I say? No? This is actually how you know I'm fresh. Okay. This is how you know I'm fresh. Okay, so where do I spray this now? Guys, listen, so the Prada one kind of smells, it smells very fruity, smells very sweet, smells good, literally, like, it just smells so good. But I'm not gonna lie to you, the one I'm still smelling right now is the YSL. Oh my god, like, you need to get this perfume, you just have to. So that's it for perfume now, and now I'm gonna show you the bag I picked up. So basically last year I got my Balenciaga bag, the mini one, but I just feel like that bag needs a break. Like, I just need to put that bag down and just stop carrying the bag. So I said, you know what, I need another black bag, but I didn't want to spend too much. Okay, so I picked up the all black Kurt Geiger bag. Let me open it.
Nicely wet.
This is really nice. I think for me, I just love the detail. Like, I just love this little detail. I just love this little detail going on at the front. This looks so good. And all black as well. You definitely need an all black bag. Like, comes with, it's quite big as well, so this is definitely, and it's a good size. It's not too big, it's just the perfect size. You can fit everything in here. Your makeup, your phone, everything in this bag. But this is what the bag looks like. This is so nice. Like, it's just very simple but still very detailed at the same time. And you can wear it like this, or I mean, you can carry it like this, or you can carry it like this. And when you open the bag, this is what it looks like on the inside. Yeah guys, I'm very happy with my new purchase. I'm very happy with this bag. So now I can put down my Balenciaga bag and, you know, carry this one. I got the Fendi sunglasses. I got the LV bracelet. So it comes in this bag and then it comes with the box. You have the little pouch inside the box. This is not really an unboxing because I've already opened this. Like, so this is what the bracelet looks like. It's just a simple cuff, like it's just a very small bracelet. So to open this, I'm just going to unclip it. You just press this side down and then it opens like this. So this is what that looks like, and it's very simple, but I feel like I can stack this with like the other bracelets and cuffs that I have, so you know, should be good. So the next item I picked up is, listen, I've been obsessed with this item. Like I've literally been wearing it ever since I got it. Like I don't care, it makes me feel expensive. Okay, this definitely makes me feel very expensive. I'm gonna insert clips of me wearing it, and so when you open it, it comes with your sunglasses inside, and it comes with this little pouch, and you can clip this onto your bag. So if you don't want to hold it, you can just clip this onto your bag like so. And then I'm gonna take it out, guys. When I tell you I'm in love, the thing is, yeah, I tend to stay away from sunglasses because I have a really small face, small head, so a lot of sunglasses don't suit my face. I could have ordered this online, but I said, you know what, let me go in and see what style would suit me best, because yeah, I like this because it's not too loud. I don't like design, I don't like anything that's like over the top or loud. I like how this is just there. It's very subtle, like, you know, it's not too much as well, like it's just there on the side. So you guys can see how it has the small F on the side. It's just very subtle, not too much, not doing too much. I like that, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini unboxing, and if you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.